It's Brad's Laboratory.
Okay, these are the Steelseries Arctica 9X, I think they're called. The power light is stuck on. No matter what you do, if you push and hold, it won't go out, and it won't pair either. What they told me in an email, because they don't really have a customer service line, is there is this little hole right here next to the screw hole when you take the earmuff off, and that is the reset hole. So I'm going to attempt to do a reset on it. Here's my paper clip. I'm gonna unbend that and then we'll be back. Okay, so my yellow one didn't work, and it's got some plastic wrapped around the paper clip and it won't fit in the hole. So I got a different one here, and that one does fit. And when I push it, oh look, the light went out. Boy, my daughter is going to be so happy. Alright, I'm just going to put the earmuffs back on, and then we'll see if it's working when my daughter gets home.
My headphones are working good.
It's Brad's Laboratory. It's kind of crazy and a little bit weird, but it's gonna be awesome sauce, cause it's Brad's Laboratory. It's Brad's Laboratory. So grab a spot, you'll learn a lot, maybe even how to build a robot, cause it's Brad's Laboratory.